Almost 70 years ago, the first dog and first animal went into space, gaining an altitude of almost 2,000 miles, 3,200 kilometers. It begins to orbit at a speed of 4,575 miles per second, 7,364 kilometers per second. Meet Laika. One of 3 dogs chose to make history in space missions. Its durability and ability to endure centrifuge tests was a perfect fit for the Sputnik 2 mission. Captured on the streets of Moscow, Laika is unaware that its main goal is to analyze space problems. At the time, SSSR Chairman Khrushchev saw Sputnik 2 as a great opportunity to win the Cold War race in the space battle with the USA. And in honor of the 40th anniversary of the Soviet Revolution, the capsule and the dog monitoring devices on board were ready. The device had to display all of Laika's vital signs. If there were any problems, the situation had to be stabilized. Scientists were aware that the heroine would not make it back to Earth alive. The suicide mission was her first and last chance to reach space. November 3rd, the year 1957, Sputnik 2 was launched into space. All of Laika's medical data is analyzed and recorded at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. At the peak of the acceleration, Laika's breathing increased 3 to 4 times its pre-launch level. The sensors showed that her heart rate was 103 beats per minute before the launch and increased to 240 beats per minute during the early acceleration. After reaching orbit, the core of Sputnik 2 blockade did not separate as planned, preventing the thermal control system from operating correctly. This caused the cabin temperature to rise 104 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius. After a few hours, her pulse rate had returned to 102 beats per minute. After about 5 to 7 hours of flight, no more life signs were received from the spacecraft. The Soviet Union had many secrets. Most of them will never be solved. However, the secret about Laika was revealed in 2002, when one of the employees of the Sputnik 2 project told the whole truth. Laika was not anesthetized by the food given to her during the flight and did not return to Earth. However, due to overheating and nervousness, Laika died after a few hours in Sputnik 2. Sputnik, with the dead dog on board, made another 2,700 orbits and then burned up in the atmosphere in April 1958. Most people who still come from that time remember her. Young people can admire her story at the Central House of Aviation and Cosmonautics in the Moscow Museum.